Looking for a crunchy, sweet, spicy, delicious keto snack? Look no further. KETO Crush presents KETO Buffalo Chicken Boats. Go! First things up, grab some frozen chicken breast. Don't worry about defrosting it, because we're going to stick it directly in the air fryer at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. While that cooks, grab your mini bell peppers, cut off the ends and split them open. These peppers are sweet, crunchy, and the perfect vehicle for buffalo chicken dip. Just remember, sweetness equals carbs. So if you want to stay in ketosis, monitor how many of these you eat. Hello, gorgeous. Flip the chicken at the 10-minute mark, and after another 10 minutes, it's ready to go. This is why you need an air fryer in your life. Cooking just doesn't get much easier than this. To shred the chicken, use a fork to gently pull the meat apart. 2 to 3 chicken breasts should yield 2 cups of shredded chicken. Using your favorite blender, combine the 2 cups of chicken with 1 full block of cream cheese and a half a cup of ranch dressing and blue cheese dressing mixed. Throw in a half cup of buffalo sauce and mix it all together. Between the blue cheese, ranch, and cream cheese, you're looking at tons of fat to keep you energized on keto. All that's left now is to melt the ingredients into one delicious mixture. Heck yeah, I'm using the air fryer again. 8 minutes at 350 degrees is all it takes. Oh, look at that. Rich, creamy, flavorful. This is keto in a bowl, baby. Don't like buffalo sauce? Replace it with 𝗞𝗴𝗿𝗲𝗄𝗃 no sugar barbecue sauce and omit the blue cheese for a barbecue chicken dip. And that's all to it. Load up as many of the peppers as you can. KETO Buffalo Boats are perfect for food prep, but also great for entertaining. Delicious. Don't have bell peppers? Celery sticks work great too. Thanks for watching KETO Crush, your channel for eating healthy and looking hot. Have you subscribed yet? If not, do so now. If so, tell a friend. That way I can keep the keto content coming week after week. And for even more, you can follow me on Instagram at @TheRealKetoCrush. KETO Crush. Eat healthy. Look hot.